Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I will show you the couple tricks and the best features that you can find in the camera and this smartphone. So let's start by opening the camera, and we are going to try it with the additional modes. I'm not going to focus on this one because everybody knows that we got the video, photo mode, portrait and the pro mode. Let's go here for the more, and the first from the interesting modes we got the vlog mode. So you can pick maybe the cool one. You have to grab your phone in the horizontal mode and just take a look. Press here and make it another time. As you can see, we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 short videos. So let's make it. And the last one, and play it. Save. Let's play. So yeah, there we get the cool animation, music and haptic vibration that we can feel. Next, let's go back for more. What we can find here, we get also the dual video. So as you can see, you can basically capture the video at the same time from the front and the rear camera. So very useful when you are vlogging or when you are just making the video and you want to show someone that what is in the front of you and also your reaction, for example. Okay, let's go back for the more, and here we got also the clone mode. So we can clone people on the photo. I mean, we can make the 3 photos and the person just can move from the left to the middle or the right, and it will be just, I mean, it will be one photo but with the person in the 3 different places. The same on the video, but we can only make with 2 persons. Unfortunately, I'm here by myself and I cannot show you how it looks, but it's very simple. You have to just press one of the mode, you have to grab it in the landscape mode, and you have to find person, take a photo, bang, and then make it something like that. Okay, let's finish. Maybe it will be a good example. Yeah, so basically you can just clone objects, but of course I just made it a little bit messy. Let's try again. Yeah, bang. Okay, let's put it bang, and there I go on the right, and let's finish. I think that right now it looks better, and yeah, definitely. So we can basically clone people on the photo or part of the body of the people's. The same for the video, and here we got also the freezy frame. And I think from the more it's all. We get also something like the movie effects, but it's very common. I mean, it's very similar to the vlog mode. So just take a look. You can maybe take the magic zoom, for example. Let's press bang. Okay, it's too far away. Let's make it just like that. And as you can see, when we move our phone from subject, it's still zooming on it. As you can see, you can just finish and just take a look how it looks. So basically you just lock zoom on the object. Okay, it doesn't work that good like it was on the preview, but you know what I mean, right? Now we can maybe check the show shutter. Okay, there's in the low light. Maybe word parlor. Okay, bing. So we can make video like that. So also the cool effects. So we can make video. Maybe when you are a creative person you can use it, but to be honest, for me it's a little bit useful. And of course, when you go back for the camera, next we can start from the settings, useful features. So we can, for example, turn on the grid lines from better composition of the photo, as you can see. The same when we go for the settings, and we can find here the watermark. So we can mark our photos. Just take a look when you turn it on and take a photo. On the left corner, you will get the mark that the photo was taken on the Mi 11 Lite. And here we can just customize it. It's on the Xiaomi, but you can add here any phrase that you want. It could be taken by HardReset.Info, by Dave, by Kate, or whoever you want. And also, it's very good to change the picture quality, because in most cases it's set up in the standard, but you can quickly make it to the higher level by choosing high. And also we get the volume buttons function, so we can zoom in or just take a shutter, take a look. So yeah, I think that's all. The most useful and the best features that you can find in Mi 11 Lite camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.